Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix redeemed V-Bucks not showing up. So let's get started. So you're facing this problem on your Fortnite account where you have redeemed some V-Bucks for your Fortnite and it's not showing up. So if you want to fix that problem, what you have to do is you have to first of all check if you have entered a right redeem code. So most of the time you will face this kind of problem because you have entered a wrong redeem code. So what you can do is just go ahead and check if your redeem code is right. So if it's wrong, what you can do is just simply enter the right redeem code and then you can redeem your V-Bucks. But it was not the problem and you are still facing the problem, then what you can do is just simply take some following steps that I'll show you. If your V-Bucks are not showing up, what you can do is you can follow these steps. So sign in into Fortnite on the same platform where you use your secondary code. If you have signed into the correct account, this will trigger the redemption. Check any other accounts you have. If the V-Bucks have been applied to the wrong account, follow the instructions below to contact Epic support so they can help you. So what you can do is just contact PlayStation or Xbox support and ask for help. So you can find PlayStation support or Xbox support. So to find that support, what you can do is just simply open up your browser and then you can type in PlayStation support, or for Xbox you can type in Xbox support. So just follow through the steps and you can fix your problem. But if the above steps did not help, then what you can do is just simply contact to Epic Game Support. And after contacting to Epic Game Support, then what you can do is just simply include your Epic Games account ID and then your display name of Fortnite account. So if needed, also include the Epic account ID and the display name of the Fortnite account that the V-Bucks were incorrectly added to. So just follow through the steps, and after following through the steps you will probably fix your problem. So these were the fixes for PlayStation and Xbox. So if you're facing this problem on your Nintendo Switch, then what you can do is you can check if you bought them on a different platform than your Nintendo Switch. So if you did that mistake, then they won't show up. This is the most common reason game get puzzled. So the another reason might be a delay in the transaction. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time for V-Bucks to appear in your account. So just wait for a while and you will receive the V-Bucks in your Fortnite account. So that's it guys, this is how to fix V-Bucks not showing up. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.